everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Gomora from the 21st to the 25th of November 2022 on Monday. Mazet and Zibuko are determined to head Sondo in the worst way imaginable. Teddy suggests to Chiamo that they suck up to the boss's daughter on Tuesday. Mazet arrives back at the Molefe's house and claims she had a huge fight with Zibuko. Miss Lungwane does not approve of Nkosinati's management style and tell Miss Madigizela as much on Wednesday. Zibuko is kicked out of Sondo's business. Head boy and head girl nominations are out. Teddy wants insight of DJ Ora's father on Thursday. Zibuko briefed people to kidnap Thathi. Gladys is shocked when Mr. Faku moves back in. Zodo invites herself to Thathi's launch on Friday. Mazet pulls out all the stops for Thathi's baby shower. Zaza's choices come back to bite him. Ntokozo gives Teddy surprising relationship advice. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.